Hey everyone, welcome back to the Learn Up. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your very own AI-powered background remover website. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. That's right, we're using a no-code platform to make this happen. And I'll even walk you through how to monetize it and start earning money online in 2025. So if you've ever wanted to create an AI tool, or you're looking for a new way to generate passive income, this video is for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive in. To create an image background remover app, first, go to the Bolt.new website. You'll find the link in my video description. Once you're on the site, you need to create an account. You can sign up using Google, email, or GitHub. I've already made an account, so I won't show that part. Okay? After signing up, you'll see an interface like this. Now, to create a background remover web app, we need a prompt. This is a short idea that Bolt will use to build your app. You can write your own idea here, or use tools like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or even Bolt AI to create the prompt. To use Bolt AI, first write your idea in 1 or 2 lines. Then click the Enhance Prompt icon. This will guide you through creating a full web app based on your idea. You can then change and customize it as you like. Once your prompt is ready, click the Submit button. Bolt will now create the full web app for you. This can take up to a minute, so please wait. And here we go. Our background remover tool is almost ready, but it still can't remove image backgrounds yet. We have one more step: API integration. Once we do this, the tool will be able to remove backgrounds from images. Let's add the API key. Since I use the Clipdrop API in my prompt, I need to use that here too. If you want to use a different background remover API, that's fine. Just make sure to mention the name of that company's API in your prompt. One important note: Clipdrop gives you 100 free credits, which lets you remove the background from 100 images. I think it's best to use it experimentally. To get the API key, go to the Clipdrop official website. Open your browser and search for Clipdrop API. The first link should be the one. You'll also find this link in my video description. Go to the website, then click the Get an API Key button. Now enter your email address and click Sign Up. Check your email inbox. You'll get a confirmation email from Clipdrop. Click the link in that email to verify your address. After verification, you'll be redirected to your Clipdrop profile. At first, it will show 0 API credits, but don't worry, you can get 100 free credits. To claim those, click the button that offers 100 credits. Now, you need to add your name and a phone number. You can use your own number, but I'll show you how to use a temporary number. Open your browser and search for free temp number. Go to the first site that shows up. From there, choose a country and select a phone number you like. Copy that number and go back to the Clipdrop website. Paste it in the phone number field. Now, complete the CAPTCHA. Then click Claim My Credit. Go back to the temp number website and click Update New SMS. You'll get a code. Copy that code and paste it into the Clipdrop website. As you can see, I now have 100 free credits. Next, click the Reveal API Key button. Copy the key, then go back to Bolt.new. Type, apply this API key, and paste the API key into the input box. Then click the Send button. This will add the API key to your app's code. Our tool is now fully ready to remove image backgrounds. Let's test it. And yes, it works perfectly. Before we deploy it, let's quickly improve the user interface. Great! The UI looks much better now. Now, you can download all the code of this app by clicking the Export button and even publish it on your own website. Or you can deploy it for free from here. Let's publish it online for free. Just click the Deploy button. It may take a little time, but once it's done, your app will be live on the internet. When it is published online, it will give you a link. And with this link, anyone can access the application. I will put the link in my video description. You can check it out. And here's a cool tip. You can make real money every month by adding Google AdSense to this app. If you don't know how to do that, let me know in the comments, and I'll make a full video on it. And that's it. Your background remover app is live and working perfectly. You built it without writing a single line of code. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got questions or want a tutorial on how to add Google AdSense to your app? Just drop a comment below saying AdSense tutorial. I'll make a full step-by-step guide for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.